In this tutorial, we will understand about different types of risks in business. Businesses face risk every day. Risk is a part of getting business done, especially in our digital world. Managing risk is critical, and that process starts with a risk assessment. If you don't assess your risks, they cannot be properly managed, and your business is left exposed to threats. A successful risk assessment process should align with your business goals and help you cost-effectively reduce risks. Risk assessments can be performed on any application, function, or process within your organization. But no organization can realistically perform a risk assessment on everything. That's why the first step is to develop an operational framework that fits the size, scope, and complexity of your organization. This involves identifying internal and external systems that are either critical to your operations and/or that process, store, or transmit legally protected or sensitive data, such as financial, healthcare, or credit card. Then you can create a risk assessment schedule based on criticality and information sensitivity. The results give you a practical and cost-effective plan to protect assets and still maintain a balance of productivity and operational effectiveness. Once you determine your framework, you're ready to embark on your individual risk assessments. When going through the process, it's important to keep in mind that there are different categories of risk that may affect your organization. Here's what they are. Strategic risk. Strategic risk is related to adverse business decisions or the failure to implement appropriate business decisions in a manner that is consistent with the institution's strategic goals. Reputational risk. Reputational risk is related to negative public opinion. Operational risk. Operational risk is related to loss resulting from inadequate or failed internal processes, people, and systems, or from external events. Transactional risk. Transactional risk is related to problems with service or product delivery. Compliance risk. Compliance risk is related to violations of laws, rules, or regulations, or from non-compliance with internal policies or procedures or business standards. Fill in the blanks. 1. Might arise from making poor business decisions, from the substandard execution of decisions, from inadequate resource allocation, or from a failure to respond well to changes in the business environment. Strategic risk, compliance risk, transactional risk, reputation risk, operational risk. 2. Refers to the adverse effect that foreign exchange rate fluctuations can have on completed transaction prior to settlement. It is the exchange rate risk associated with a time delay between entering into a contract and settling it. Strategic risk, compliance risk, transactional risk, reputation risk, operational risk. Write down your answer in the comment section. We will share the answer once we receive 10 answer comments.